How to receive money on PayPal. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's go. First off, fire off your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. For word of warning, so basically any PayPal account can receive any amounts of money, but if you haven't verified your PayPal account, for instance you haven't linked a bank account to your PayPal account, or you haven't added a debit card or credit card to your PayPal account, then you can only receive limited amount of money. If the money is like $10 or $15, it's going to be fine, but you're not going to be able to withdraw or receive like $10,000 for instance. PayPal will freeze that amount of money and you need to verify manually on your own. And once PayPal verified your account, then and only then will you be able to withdraw that money. Next, on your dashboard, go to your gear icon next to the logout icon, and from there you can see my link, my PayPal link, which is paypal.me/my name. You can always change it also, and you can click manage, and that's my username. That's also, you can share it via copy link, Facebook Messenger or Twitter, and from that link you can always copy it and then just friends or family. And that's pretty much it. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment below. Cheers, take care and goodbye too.